need to reconsider that extension of your detention. It was illegal in the first place. You ask the president why he accepted the resignation. Do not ask due process.
I think the proper remedy is for you to go to the court.
I will go to court.
Opo, pero
Oo,
that is
pero
your-
araw-araw, you are depriving a person of her liberty while I await. Do you really want to show the Filipino people kung anong kaalaman ninyo sa batas?
Ang sinasabi ko lang po ay sundin po natin yung batas.
Kaya nga
dito
sir,
sa-
sundin natin yung batas. Why will you penalize, punish Yusek Lopez for an act of the president?
Decision of the committee. Sana po respetuhin po ninyo.
Tinutulungan ko lang kayo. Kasi napapahiya ang Pilipinas. Ganito ba ang House of Representatives?